Hey guys, welcome back to Fix It Phillip. Thanks for watching. Today I got a 97 Toyota Tacoma, 3.4 liter supercharged, manual trans, 4-wheel drive. Customer states that there is a really harsh vibration and a clanky noise, and I'm going to show you guys why. So as you can see, the drive shaft center support bearing is completely gone. Should not be doing that. So we're going to change the drive shaft center support. Alright, so I just got the front wheels shocked. Just going to jack up the rear end here. Get it off the ground. Put it in neutral, take the e-brake off. There you go. Okay, so I'm just gonna mark the drive shaft here. So we put it back on the same way when we're all done. Then we have four 14mm nuts and bolts here. I'm gonna take these off. Okay, we got the transmission / transfer case side here. I'm gonna mark that as well so we can put it back on the same and take off these 14mm nuts. Okay, now we can take off these 17mm bolts for the carrier. And take it off. Okay, then we have this nut we're going to take off. This one's a 24mm. But before I do that, I'm going to just mark it again. So we put the splines back on the same way. There's also a washer in here. Let's see if I can tap this thing off. There it goes. So there's splines in here that go onto these splines here, just like an axle. Bearings in pieces. So here's the new one. This is what it's supposed to look like. And old one here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces that it's in now. So I'm just gonna clean this up here in the parts washer, and then we'll re-grease it back up and we'll put it back together. Okay, so make sure that the cut portion is facing towards the front of the vehicle, and then the side with the ears may have hooks or not, is facing towards the rear of the vehicle. I actually think it was on backwards before. Make sure you put the washers on and put the nut on and torque it to specs for your vehicle. Once you're done tightening it up, make sure you use a center punch to bend this tab of the end of the nut into the groove so it locks it in place. Then we can put it back on. Also, while you're in here, make sure you check your U-joints, make sure that they don't have excessive play. And I'm also going to grease up all the U-joints here with a grease gun and grease up this shaft also. Alright, so this is all done. No more moving around. So let's give it a test drive now. Okay guys, that was it. It took care of the vibration. Man, it was bad before. The whole car was just like so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below. And remember, fix it, Philip. You can fix it. I'll see you next time.